What's the reason behind akwụkwọ trying to KP Onyeze Jesus? Or ego one Onyeze Jesus ka enweru ka ogene? Or is there any other thing? But judging with the report, it was alleged that the main reason why Akwa was arrested and has been in detention up till now was because he sent some people to Mpo to KP Onyeze Jesus. This whole thing is not adding up. Ihe gbasara kesi akwụkwọ eke hit na Onyeze Jesus. Only some certain things now touchable banyere this case. Earlier today, they went to court. They made their first appearance in court today, as we all may know. But the thing is, there are a lot of things that are not making any sense to me. One, let me start by the charges against Akwa. I don't know the reason why they released only Akwa's charges online and failed to release Ekehit and Onyeze Jesus own charges. Now, when you talk about those charges against Akwa, it was alleged that Akwa teamed with some people Weburu Onyeze Jesus na Mpo. I don't want to use the other words, like, you know, now, so that Facebook will not strike me. You know. So according to that charges, it was alleged that Akwa collided with some people and KP Onyeze Jesus. That was what the charges was insinuating. You know, I'm a blogger. I always have to put it straight. Then another report was saying that Anambra State government did not arrest Akwa because of Okite. And the matter of fact, now, half go na Okite is not a bad thing. Okite will just helps KG Emeya that maybe insinuating that they have no charges against Akwa regarding Okite. That the main charges Hajiwe Jida Akwa is KP stuff, you know. Maybe Akana Sochu mentioned that Akwa was the one that was behind his KP incident last September. That one aside. Then secondly, if Anambra State government cleared Akwa on the angle of Okite, that is herbs and other normal whatever sacrifice, I don't even know what to call it. Then what's the reason of arresting Ekehit, my man, and the Akana Soch, especially Ekehit? Kezie the charges Haji against Ekehit. When the charges Ejikwen against Akana Soch, the father of all the men. Then on the other angle, why would Akwa team up with some people and KP Onyeze Jesus? Because it's not even making any sense to me. Akwa is very rich, he's living comfortably. He has more of everything than Onyeze Jesus. So, what was his reason behind it? Because all this is not making any sense to me. Or are they trying to play fast one on Akwa? Are they hiding something? Or is there a conspiracy or anything? You know, the more reason why I don't want to go into all this thing is that there are some people who manage to acquire that has benefited a lot from him that need to be analyzing this whole thing and mounting pressure, so that if indeed that somebody somewhere or group of people somewhere are trying to mess him up, maybe Onyeze made his thing, and most of all these people are seeing the guy as a threat to them. You know, I'm trying to be fair enough while analyzing this whole issue now. Why did Anambra State government not release the allegation or charges against Ekehit and Akana Socho? And again, if they say that Okite is not a bad thing, that Akwa was not arrested or was not detained because of Okite or whatever, what is the offense of Ekehit, my man? What is the offense of Ekehit? Why is still in the custody till today? You know, I don't know exactly what Anambra State government are trying to do with this whole issue, but for me, I think it will be more okay to make this whole thing public. This case, the hearing, the court proceedings, to make it public, because a lot of people are interested. The public are interested to follow up. You know, because some things are not adding up to me. What's the reason behind akwụkwọ trying to KP Onyeze Jesus? Or ego one Onyeze Jesus ka enweru ka ogene? Or is there any other thing? But judging with the report I saw this afternoon, it was alleged that the main reason why Akwa was arrested and has been in detention up till now was because he teamed up or he sent some people to Mpo to KP Onyeze Jesus. This whole thing is not adding up. To me,